Kini kihna ïalehkai football ke beliau kore katak maksiar daga berpenliam ke Punjab aka final da argo lanot haga Khelo India Youth Games. Haba kilawan poi haga kat lingsun ke badan haga Guwahati kila Shah pdiang sngewbha hau District Sports Officer jongkari Bohoi District banang nia kila syong daga kali ke belapan kret daga tenat sports but youth affairs jong ke Jylla banich kanong ba Shillong. Onda kila poi hamadan polo la pdiang sngewbha ki daga tenat sports but youth affairs ke Jylla ke Meghalaya Football Association but ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association. Hadin kania kila lej Shah Secretariat haga bau menteri rang ba ke Jylla Wanrah kongkal sangma ulai ku blai kerpangi kini kisamla ke Jylla ke Wanrah Nam bat buram ke Jylla bat ula kentui ki bikin beteng ïalehkai bhasyu nang ni syakmat.
Apart from many infrastructures that are coming up for football and for other sports throughout the state, we'll be having much more coming up in the next few years. So you will see a huge transformation in the infrastructures that are available for you to practice and play. And more importantly, we are really now supporting all the associations in every discipline. So football aside, all disciplines are getting maximum support from the government. And also more importantly, we are now also celebrating and awarding our winners also. So on the 5th, we'll be giving cash awards to all the medal winners of the Meghalaya Games. And on the same day, we'll be also giving cash awards to all of you also.
Gajing Shah penkuk buram kini kena ïalehkai kala beteng biang ha ke ba ketenat sports but youth affairs support gajing ilam menteri ketenat ïalehkai uba syakliar warjri. Kila penkuk buram kini kena ïalehkai football da ke ba ai ki gijing ai sngewbha ye kena ïalehkai rengkat bat ki coach bat manager. Bat Menteri Sorkar ulapan menaru bagi Sorkar Jylla kad ai daga scholarship ikini kena ïalehkai ke Wanrah Nam bat buramnya ke Jylla.
Boleh kerpang ibaro iwe la yawan di distrik baper ila election jengai ala ye la tristom la ya IT met but sim la practice bah bat kamtam na aku boleh kerpang iki coaches ke entire team ki play tristom ya ke ba lala Wanrah ini ke trophy kalong susah ke buram onton ke betaj ni ke sikit ande kalong ke buram bu betaj iwe ke jingle bha ke jungpi ke tristom ke jungpi ke mulong ke bale na na kalian ke jungi indang ya jordan kat lang bapi but ke juk ke poru min sayo min ID scholarship ipi ke sini ko ke juk ke por ya ke pengisam ya ki medal na kumta kitu ki job o bangin sam ki kusnam na kumta kitu ki job aka Meghalaya Games min sayoru ya ka bangin IT scholarship na kumta jungpi baro iwe this session publish bona. I would like to state that on Monday we'll be distributing the scholarships along with the prizes that we'll be giving to the medal winners because won medals in the Meghalaya Games. So all of you will be included on Monday.
Long kai ke bas ngokomen bang iyo ya kan ke scholarship namar bun nangi ki bade ngidang puli te ngila ban yarap ha ka jung puli jungi kila ban yarap ha ban kamtam ban thit ki tiare ïalehkai kum ki boots ki ball ki jersey ki te kamtam ke rapingi long ban ai man simngi kum kina bad ka ying kasem jungi ki baro ko wai kum no bangin la ban long kata ka bangila ban yang na lang kijong kikjat na marba kaneka scholarship kala ban yarap sibon ai ngi kana ïalehkai.